Hey guys, I'm just making a quick correction to my Amazon rant the other day. When I was selling on Amazon, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I was pretty frustrated because I was selling a product that was extremely saturated and it was just really hard to get sales. And then Amazon started selling the product. So I couldn't make it work. After PPC, Amazon basically would pay my PPC, but then after that there was no profit left over. So if you so my one of my last videos I said, not to sell on Amazon anymore. I guess my advice to you guys is really just make sure you have the right product. You have to do your homework. You have to make sure the price is right. The problem with my sink snakes is they were selling for like $6.99 a piece, and there was tons of competition. So I just couldn't make it work. There was just no money left over. So I wouldn't get into Amazon unless you really do your homework. There's a course that you can take called Freedom Ticket. You can get it through helium10.com with their platinum plan. I have a 50% off discount code that I'm going to leave in the description so you can get 50% off that platinum plan. And then you can actually get Freedom Ticket. It's an Amazon selling course for free. You can get that half off. And so my recommendation is, yes, you could sell on Amazon, but only if your price is right, only if you choose the right product. That way, at the after all the fees, off after all the FBA fees, after the PPC, there's still going to be some pie left over. And that was my problem, was my price was so low that there was no pie left over after PPC. So that's the importance of today's message is if you're going to sell something online, make sure that it's, if I was going to sell on Amazon again, it'd be like I'd try to sell like a 30 or more dollar product, because then there's a little bit of pie to go around. You see what I'm saying? But you need to really do the math and make sure you do it correctly. So yes, you could sell on Amazon, but just choose the right product. If you guys like this video or like this channel, you feel free to subscribe. Um, I currently sell sink snakes on eBay. I'm going to leave that link in the description in case you guys have a sink clog or shower clog. You can click my link and get a pack, a 3-pack. Um, Also, guys, I'm going to leave the Helium 10 discount code for you. So that's the importance of today's message, is just choosing the right product to sell online. And yes, you can sell on Amazon. Just make sure you choose the right product. Thanks.